This conference will now be recorded.
So bank reconciliation. It is also called, accountants, they will use the word BRS. Bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Let us understand this one. Bank reconciliation statement, BRS. So if you go to, this is manual I'm showing you first, and then we'll verify another option, automatic advanced bank reconciliation. So go to bank accounts, USMF operations. Here reconcile. In this account reconciliation, it is showing account reconciliation. Now actually what it happens, you will receive bank statement. Okay, in the bank statement, opening balance, suppose 20,000. Then like vendor payment, it is vendor payment is updated with like vendor will be debited 5,000, and customer payment, suppose 10,000. Your balance is there with bank 20,000. You have paid 5,000 to the vendor. Then how much it will become?
25,000.
You have paid 5,000 to the vendor from your bank. It is
Already
15,000.
customer is there.
Just give me a minute. Sorry, just give me 2 minutes time. Okay, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm stopping sharing also. Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Has anyone tried this post-dated check? Hello. Hello.
2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes.
No, sir, I'm just checking with others.
Okay, fine.
Yes, Sadish.
In the team, anybody tried this post-dated check?
No, man. Did you try that?
I was facing some issues. It was not like I was not sure whether the configurations what I set up was correct or not.
Okay. I'll do it tomorrow, man, and I'll update you.
Sorry, I'm back. Fine. Now, yeah. Any questions before going to proceed? If you have any questions, we'll discuss later. Okay. First, now in the BRS, 20,000 is the opening balance. Your balance is there with the bank. Now 5,000 you did it vendor payment. Then your balance will become 15,000. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Agree? Now from the customer you have received 10,000. Then it is 25,000. What is the closing balance?
25,000.
25,000. This 25,000 you need to enter here.
Sir, that will be automatically picked from books, right?
No, no, I will tell you. That you need to enter 25,000. Okay, if you enter 25,000, now if you enter, you can click on transactions. So opening balance is available here. In this opening balance is this much amount. Let me copy this amount. $51 something something. I need to enter here opening balance as as opening balance. Okay, now this is let me take example, the first one. Let me take a rounding figure, this one. Okay, 1180, 1180. It is 1180. Now this is not the one. Okay, let me copy this one. This is example and this is reality. Okay, give me a second. Now suppose after applying this 11,000, after applying this 11,000, sorry, 1180. This is 1180 is vendor payment. Vendor payment. 404 check number is vendor payment. It is showing minus because your balance is decreasing from the bank and your balance is positive now. Your balance is with bank. Okay, now it is bank account, bank payment, you did it minus, then balance will be this minus 1180. Agree? The closing balance should be this one, 51 148 314. Okay, so are you able to follow this one first? With the bank your balance is there 51 lakhs or 5 crores 11 lakhs 49,494.15. You have payment done 1180. Now your balance is this one. Is it clear? Any questions in this one first? So now you need to enter this closing balance. You need to enter the closing balance. Then if you click on here, suppose if you are applying this one, it is not, reconcile button is not available. If you are applying this one, reconcile button is not available. But It is minus and pluses, it will be different. Suppose you are applying this one. Automatically the cancel button is in it. Got my point? So you need to enter the closing balance received from the bank statement. And you need to select check boxes in between whatever it is there blindly. If it is tallied, this button will be enabled. Understood?
But
So, yeah,
sir,
tell me.
in that case, you have to go through all the transactions, right?
Yes, yes, one by one manual enter. That is the
Yeah.
manual reconciliation. Manual reconciliation. The statement, bank statement, whatever you have received from the bank, that you need to enter. You need to select because
One by one. Otherwise, we
yeah,
can't predict which one is which transaction will tally.
yeah, because suppose one check is not cleared, then that uncleared checks it will show you here. If it is pending from last 1 year or if it is more than 1 month, then I can ask my bank why it is not cleared. Otherwise, you don't have track. Understood? You have submitted in the bank or you have received a check from the customer and it was not cleared by bank, then it is pending here. It will show you pending. Make sense? That is, this is manual bank reconciliation. This is called manual bank reconciliation. You need to, because the statement, account statement, you need to receive from the bank and you need to enter the closing balance and you need to go to transactions and whatever the checks, it was payment, customer payment, vendor payment, customer payment, all the checks should be selected. If this selection is done properly without any mistake, then this button will be enabled. Otherwise, it will not be enabled. Okay.
There is an option to see the opening balance, right?
Opening balance here it is there.
No, before that there is any module to check the opening balance.
I did not get you. What do you mean by opening balance? Your expectations? No. What is your expectations? Opening balance for bank. This one.
Okay. I saw somewhere else. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not from the statement or.
This is manual method. That's why.
Yeah, manual.
Okay.
Sir, can we just open a new bank account and for past few transactions and
So
say
can you
that
try that? See, one second. That testing will be should be done by from your side. So if you ask me to do testing, it will be we cannot complete the course. Frankly, I'm speaking. This is one transaction. You can try yourself and let me know if you are facing challenges. Okay. Please don't
Sir,
ask me to do testing. Yeah.
Sir, problem is that when we are doing it, sir, we are not getting it, sir. Even the post-dated
Show
checks
me that
things
one.
also.
Show me that one.
Right
I
now,
will
sir.
make you presenter. I will make you
No, sir.
presenter now.
I don't have the
presenter.
system now right now, sir. I'm just like out of place.
Then
I don't have the
what I
system.
can do? See each and every testing. If you are asking me to do it in my systems, it will be even like I can teach you. That's why I told you I can teach you for 2 years, 3 years also. I can teach you for 2 years, 3 years, but people will not have that much patience. So testing should be done by you people, not by
Sir,
me.
we will. You
Yeah.
can give us some time after like after these classes. Some Saturdays, 1 hour, 2 hours, so can we connect for doubts?
So see, I'm giving this information from last more than 1.5 months. All right. I'm telling to you the same thing. Once the sessions are over, I cannot spend time. The problem is, so in the Monday to Friday, I'm working from morning 5:30 to night 9:30, 10 o'clock. Okay. In the weekends, I'm providing training for one batch, and 3-4 hours I'm spending time for me to grow myself. Okay, to grow myself. So if you want, I can give 1 hour session for one day, not more than that. I cannot conduct this one. See, frankly, I'm speaking. From last 1.5 months, I'm telling you to do everything. It is not today, right? So 1 hour I can schedule, not now immediately. Will take maybe around 25th, one day. Okay, 1 hour. Whoever is interested, you can join, but not every week or something. I cannot schedule that one. Okay, frankly, I'm speaking. So you need to practice. Everyone, you need to practice. Okay, fine. So this is manual update. If it is tallied, then only it will be enabled. If it is tallied, then only it will be enabled. Cancellation. Okay. So if you want, you can see from APL. If you want, you can see from APL. In APL, we have created some bank payments or transactions. Let me see. If these balances are there, then we'll see. Yeah, here it is there. So net balance, the opening balance is 0. Now you are getting the balance. Suppose your closing balance is 500, like 500, like 450 is your opening balance is 0. Now this is vendor balance, this is customer balance. So you have received 450. Then you can enter 450. Is your balance now. Now if you go to transactions, if you select this one, it will not be enabled. If you select this one, immediately it will be enabled. This is the what you are looking at, right, Satish?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. So basically, all reconciled items will be go under reconciliation, and whatever left out will be unreconciled items.
Yes, exactly right. Exactly right. Now, whatever you are
Sir,
asking, like creating a new one, the same thing, right? Yeah. Yes, please.
yeah. So in this screen, can we categorize other income and other expenses directly? I mean to say bank
Yes.
charges and other income.
Yes. Good question. So here we have 1 minute. Give me a minute. Yeah. Create bank charges. You can create and you can add. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So you can add, because definitely it is required. Let me go to USMF. You will have more data. USMF operations, account reconciliation. Go to transactions. You can have option to create new one, and the transaction type, bank charges, some DD charges, something you can enter. You can enter positive. Make sense?
So, sir, this entry will automatically get posted in books once we add here.
Yeah. It will be, once it is reconciled, it will be posted as a journal entry. One journal entry. One voucher adjustment entry will be posted as a voucher, because you are posting some amount. Definitely it will hit. So while doing this one is you are selecting the type, transaction type. So this type has the ledger account. Got it? Bank and this account. Got it? Whatever you are entering, that account versus the whatever you are entering, that is bank versus this entry will be posted, will be passed. Definitely there should be a voucher. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, I have one more question. Let's say
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have issued a check on
Hmm.
1st and that check
Hmm.
got reversed on 7th.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
in this case, whether we have to go and change, like reverse the actual payment?
Yeah, definitely. That is check reversal we learned, am I right? While doing that check reversal, we have a date also.
Yes.
See, we have that one. That is, we can do it. Sorry,
Okay.
this one. We go to the checks. We can select the check and we can do the payment reversal. We can select the date.
Okay. So then an invoice will be outstanding and the payment will be reversed, right, sir?
Exactly right. Exactly right. Fine.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, advanced bank reconciliation. One more is there. Okay. For this, we need some technical help. We need some technical help. So let me do in APL company. In APL company. So this one I'm making SBI Bank advanced bank reconciliation happening. If it is enabled, look at this one, the difference between these two. In the reconcile, if you are selecting this one, it is only 3. If it is this one, it is 5. Okay, so extra 2 are available. It is account reconciliation is there, but if it is here, there are bank statement, bank transactions, both are available extra. What is this bank statement means? This is for import file, import statement. Means suppose HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank, they are providing then soft copy. That copy you need to incorporate here by importing the format. So for this import XML file, you need to have some technical help. With the help of technical, we can import this statement. So the format it will be designed. It is 90% to 95% it is available. 5% mapping is required. That's it. With the help of technical, we can do. If it is imported, we can click on browse and you can select the item and we can import. We can import. Okay, using XML file or HTML file, the formats, whatever it is there, that format you can import. Once it is imported, it will show you here. It will show you in the statement. Bank transactions, it will show you. Okay, it will show you. This is our bank transactions, whatever we have entered. And that is imported data. Now for reconciliation, we have, it is advanced bank reconciliation actually. The form is different now. Look at this one. So earlier bank reconciliation form is different, very small. Nowadays advanced bank reconciliation is different. So you can enter here and you can enter the ending balance. Okay, fine, it is created. Now if you go to worksheet, it will show you whatever you have posted in the system. These are the transactions. Whatever the bank imported data, it will show you here. This is bank imported transaction through HTML file. These are transactions entered by you. To reconcile this one manually, there it is manually. Now we can click on here, run matching rules. If you run this rule, automatically it will match the details from here to here, and it will move the transactions here to from there to here. It is 10,000, 10,000, 2 transactions are there. Here 10,000, 5,000. Matching, if you run this matching rule, it will be moved from here to here, and you can verify, monitor. Once it is, if it is any problem, you can match, unmatch. If it is okay, you can click on post, mark reconcile. then it will be moved to reconciliation. Then here one is, look at this one, I'm recapping once again. So if it is a manual, it is only 3: account reconciliation. It is account reconciliation. If it is advanced bank reconciliation, it is bank reconciliation. Now in this first one is bank statements. Bank statements, you need to click on import and you need to bring the data using bank statement, using bank, and you need to bring the data. By browse, click OK. Then the transactions will be stored like come here. Okay, next, this was bank transactions created by you from the system, and these two, one is, this is imported data, this is system created. These two I want to reconcile. So to reconcile that one, I can go to bank reconciliation and I can enter the details and I can go to the worksheet. It will show you whatever we have imported data here, whatever we have created here, it will be matched by running the run matching rules. You need to apply. How to do this one, I will explain you. Okay, if you run this one, what happens? The data will be moved from here to here and here to here, whatever it was matched. Then you can click on mark reconcile. That's it. Okay. So what are the matching now? So one of our colleague is asking, Sheshu is asking like, so everything is matching, means if everything is matching, then only it will be cleared. Okay, now no partial clearing. It's not like partial clearing, I will tell you. Okay, now how it will be, system will recognize like clearing running matching rules. So for that matching rules, let me show you. Here it is cash and bank management, collapse all, setup. Here advanced bank reconciliation, matching rules. You can define the rules. So here you need to map matching rule, amount matching. This is in the system dynamics. This is from the statement. If it is amount is matching, fine. This is one criteria. Next, document matching means check matching. I can add check number here.
I think document number, sir.
Yeah, document number. Document number is check. This is issued checks and received checks. That means reference number. Customer check. This is reference number. Reference number means we are entering reference number in the customer check. Am I right? We can add like this. Payment reference. I think it is document only. Here it will not be payment reference number. I don't think so. Yeah, entry reference. This is because this is a bank statement. So from the bank statement, what is the field? I don't know. There is a document number or reference number. We need to understand from the bank. Okay, whatever it is, the exact field you need to remember. Understand. Entry reference or bank document number. Because for bank, both are checks only. Most probably it is a document number. In our system, we are entering payment reference number as a check number, but for them it is a document number. So you need to create like these rules, okay, and you need to combine these rules into set. Something rule set. You can create whatever you want. Here you are adding these 3 rules should be mapped. Okay, so these rules, how you want, you can apply while doing bank reconciliation. You can select now. There are 2 options. If you want to apply set, you can apply set, or if you want to apply rule only, one rule, you can map. So it is not showing. 1 minute. I think it is. I need to make it active or something. Give me a minute. Yeah, activate. Now it will show you. You want to apply one rule or rule set as per your requirement. If you click on OK, automatically this will be moved data from here to here. Then if you want to monitor high level picture, you can monitor. Otherwise, blindly if you want to do reconstruction. Understood? Any questions here?
Sir, once we apply match mark as reconciled, can we do an apply?
Apply means that one only. You can see here. This is done. I did not get your question. Sorry.
No, sir. Once we apply mark as reconciled, and after that, if we want to unmatch any entry, so can
Okay,
we?
so that is like you want to reverse it, right? Match the transaction. So
yeah,
it
unmatch.
is earlier it is not there, but recently I heard like in the latest version it was given by Microsoft, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It is actually like because this application is 10.0.17, our application, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It is 17. Nowadays it is 26 or 27. It is there in the market. I heard like recently it was there some to undo reconciliation. I mean it is a reconciled transaction. If you want to reverse it, it is available. I heard that one. That is a manual or automatic. I don't know. It is there like recently. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So this is about reconciliation, bank reconciliation. One is manual, one is advanced. Okay. Next, let us understand revenue recognition. Revenue recognition. So a small topic, revenue recognition. So let me verify whether it is available in the system or not. I will, otherwise I will explain you on the normal things. Here, so whenever you are creating a sales order, collapse all sales orders, sales orders. Okay, let me go to UXMF. Okay, let me go to order, one sales order. I hope it is available. manage. Yes. Okay. So for this, you need to have you need to have some setups in product information management. Products, released products. So this may not be useful in India, but it may be useful in abroad countries. Okay, this is recently enhancement. Revenue recognition. So here we can have option to schedule. Revenue schedule is revenue allocation active or not. So what is this benefit means in real time scenario? Suppose you are purchasing a laptop. You are purchasing a laptop. Laptop is in USA it may be $1,200, around $1,200 US dollars. Now warranty is, this is laptop, and the warranty is $120. If you are in India, this $120 are worth of $120 means it is suppose 5,000 rupees. You need to pay in advance. Okay, sorry, Seshu has mentioned like if everything is matching, then only it will be clear. So Seshu, are you able to clear now? Is it your doubt is clear, or still you have any question on bank reconciliation? Seshu, are you there? Yeah. Is it clear your doubt? Still, do you have questions on that one? Yeah. Yes or no? Please type. Is it clear, or still do you have any doubts? Okay, fine. Thank you. So now this is laptop. In India, suppose this laptop is 80,000 rupees. 80,000. Now, if it is a like a insurance, sorry, warranty 5,000, you need to pay total 85,000 in advance. It will be included. But whereas in USA, it's not like that. So item value is $1,200, and $120 is a warranty. And this warranty, the customer can pay $10 every day, every month. He can pay every $10 every month of first week or something. Like loan will be cleared, am I right? Our bank loan will be cleared every month, EMIs. Like that, they can do it. So if you want to do like that, yes, we can map this revenue schedule. Suppose it is 24 months. Okay. Let me map another one so that you can clearly understand. Rather than this one, I don't want to disturb existing one. I want to disturb my item master, which is created by me. So suppose I will take SK0013, or okay, let me take this one SK0013. Let me verify on hand inventory thing. Even it is exist, no problem. Okay, no problem, fine, stock is available, no problem. So now for this item warranty, I'm just taking and I'm mapping, this is 24 months. This is one master. This is one master. You can create master and you can enter the details. 24 months means 4.16, next 4.16 like this. After 24 months, you are going to receive the 100%. Okay. Then this is a master we have created, and we have tagged this one to revenue schedule. Whenever you are creating a sales order, suppose I'm selecting this one, SK0013. Suppose $120. Let me map. This one is at least some big amount, 200. What happens? This is 500. I will enter the material. Now $120. This is $120 entered. Now here it is showing reference revenue recognition. Okay, so it will not be posted immediately the total amount. It will post like temporary. Let me do it in Wise. Post packing slip. Click OK. I may get some errors. Let me show you that one. It is credit limit. It is not an issue. So packing slip is updated. Don't worry on this error message. Warning message, this one. Now I'm doing invoice. So $120 out of $120, only $10 will be posted now. This is revenue recognition process. One minute. Let me verify. Some ledger accounts mapping. Okay. Okay. Stock is not there. For SK0014, for 14 stock is not available. Give me a second. 13 or 14, sorry. SK0014. This is stock. Let me verify on inventory. Oh, let me map SK020. 12 may have stock. The main item actually. So main item it is there. Let me go here. It is 12. This is 500. Suppose. Okay. Okay, there is no revenue recognition. Now let me do post packing. Click OK. Okay, now packing slip is posted without any errors. It is a credit limit issue. No problem. That is not, it's a warning only. Now doing invoice. So it will post to revenue accounts. So this is a like credit limit error, no problem, leave it. But now it was posted. It will post to revenue accounts, like upcoming revenue accounts. $500, it is 620. But for 120, it was posted to deferred revenue. It is not revenue account. It was posted deferred revenue. Let me show you that now. Because it is upcoming amount, but not revenue account. Look at this one. Look at this one. 500 is the customer balance. 620 is the customer balance. 500 is the revenue, actual revenue 4 series. But this 120 is posted to deferred revenue, but not actual revenue. So that is available here in the postings. Inventory management. Posting. We need to map deferred revenue account. Got it? Whenever you are doing reversal, and whenever you are getting revenue, at that time you'll post. This is, it will post to the deferred revenue. That's what here, revenue recognition. So after that, you can go to revenue recognitions, collapse all, journal entries, revenue recognition journals. We need to process every month. Okay, 1 minute. Periodic jobs. What is the customer here? 1001. It will show you the process. Got it? You need to process. This is just now we have posted. What is the sales purchase order, sales order number? Is 1361. Last one. Okay, we need to allocate this process, and whenever you are, this is upcoming revenue recognition, so you need to process. The revenue recognition. Then whenever you are getting that balance. So every month you need to process this one. It's a kind of EMI. Like it will post. I have not posted. It will post to the revenue account. Deferred revenue versus revenue will be posted. Understood? So it will be posted to deferred revenue account versus normal account. Whenever you are receiving, then it will be revenue will be posted. It will be recognized. This is future income. It will not post to the directly revenue account. It will post to the deferred revenue account. Understood? Any questions here?
Sir, every month we have to go and give the manual dates and process it.
That process, I think, I'm not sure whether it is manually we have to do or any periodic jobs. 1 minute, let me verify. Whether it is a bad job is exist or not, let me verify. I think schedule is there. Can we create bad job is not showing here? That I'm not sure whether I need to do it run this monthly or any bad job is there or not. Still, I am not exploring. I'm not explored. I did not get chance to verify this one. Okay. So the
Okay,
process,
sir.
let me verify. Let me try whether we can have any bad job. Let me click on process. Is it a bad job exist? No, I don't think so. As per my knowledge, it is manual only, but I'm not sure whether it is any like bad job is exist or not. I'm not sure. It is, as per my knowledge, it is manual only. Okay.
Okay, so
So for that,
since
if
it is
you
a
want,
ERP,
yeah.
since it is a ERP, it's supposed to be run schedule, like schedule are supposed to be run based on the.
Yeah, see, I agree with you. Earlier, it is this like there are so many areas. Microsoft improved a lot patch jobs, a lot, right? A lot it was improved. Now this is newly introduced. This functionality is newly introduced. So I'm not sure whether really it is like it is really required. Maybe it's not a too much complex process. You can do it. Maybe you can small customization because anyhow batch job engine is there already, right? There are so many places batch job is there. I think next month only we can do the reconciliation. Okay, so there are so many places like batch jobs. If you go to accounts receivable, suppose periodic job, foreign currency revaluation, it is there. Am I right? Earlier not these many. When compared with 2009 to 2012, it was improved a lot. From 2012 to 365, it was improved a lot. So many places batch jobs, and if you want to tag this batch job to the already designed, it is already there. If you want to tag it to the functions, you can tag it with the help of developer. It may not be like a big customization; it is a small customization, in my opinion. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, is that
Yeah.
feature is available in customer invoice module, direct like normal invoice module?
Okay, so this will not be by default, will not be available. So for this, actually, you need to have in the system administration, collapse all, setup, license configuration. This is a configuration, to be frank here. We need to enable this configuration. I think it is in the trade only. Somewhere else, by default, it will not be available sometimes. You need to enable in this revenue recognition checkbox. It is a license configuration. Can you look at this one along with me? Are you able to find anything, the revenue recognition, where it is available in, I'm not sure. By default, it will not be available. You need to add that one. It is a configuration. and somewhere else it will be there. Because in one environment I am not able to find. I struggled a lot. At last I understood like this is a one configuration. Yeah, yeah. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is a configuration. But it is not a feature. It is not given as a feature. It is a configuration. So you need to enable, then only it will be available. Otherwise, it will not be. One is this one, and another one more module is one more module. Some are given as a feature, some are given as a modules. Another one submodule also. I think fleet management. Yes, fleet management also. Here it is directly available, not available. It is a revenue. One is configuration. Yes, sir. Fleet management. So that you need to verify whether it is a configuration or it is a feature. Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions, team? Anyone regarding this revenue recognition and bank reconciliations? Okay, revenue recognition. To be frankly, I have not implemented. I learned. That's it. I learned, and it is simple functionality. You are splitting this revenue recognition rather than going to posting to direct revenue. It is posting to deferred revenue, and every month you are doing reversal entries so that it will be realized revenue will be posted. So I'm predicting this will be used a lot in project management and accounting because it is going to be revenue recognition is more about projecting project. In project side I have not verified. Project side I have not verified, but it may be extended a lot in future from the project side. I'm thinking. Okay, so only simple setup like you need to create the schedules. That's it, revenue schedules. This is the only one setup you need to do. Okay, one of our colleague is asking something else. In DRS, there are some scenarios in SAP, auto post and auto clearing, bank GRS configuration separately for outgoing and incoming. I don't know, Seshu, to be frankly, that kind of functionality available in Dynamics. It is, you mean to say post auto clearing means GL configuration separately. What do you mean by, can you elaborate? So like this one, if you are asking, if you are looking for charges, it is there already. We have discussed them, right? It's very difficult to you to speak, but if you want, we have a bank reconciliation, like manual entry transactions you are able to post. That is clearing charges or DD charges or something. Are you looking at that one or something else? Okay, the same, huh? Then it is available. We have discussed already, right? Some charges. You can click new and you can enter DD charges or clearing charges or check clearing charges or check bouncing charges. All those things you can create by clicking here. We have already discussed. All right. Oh, okay, fine. So you can revisit Seshu video recording. You can understand. We have already discussed. You can add the charges directly here in the transaction. Fine. Any more questions, team? Anyone? Any
Sir,
more
do you have
questions?
any update on the PDC reversion?
PDC?
Reversal of PDC.
That I have not verified, so it will take some time. So ping in the group as a pending point. I will verify
Okay.
most probably next week. I may not answer now. I'm busy with this week, to be frankly, some other activities. Okay, I will verify
Okay.
next week and I'll come back to you in the group in the WhatsApp group. Otherwise, we have anyhow. Satish is asking one session. We'll have session at on 24th or 25th or 26th in the group. Okay, we'll discuss on one weekend, maybe. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions, team? Anyone? So if nothing, then we can wind up the session. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time, 8 a.m. IST. Okay, see you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.